Set within the beautifully restored Treasury Building of 1851, the Intercontinental Sydney is renowned as one of Sydney's prized icons. The hotel recently completed a $120 million renovation of its 509 guest rooms, public spaces, wellness areas, club lounge, restaurants, and bars. Centrally positioned in the heart of Circular Quay, Intercontinental Sydney is within a 5-minute walk to the train and ferry stations, which makes it a perfect home base to explore this magnificent city in the areas surrounding it. After a quick check-in process with a friendly staff, we made our way up to our room on the 18th floor. Let's take a look at our room 1817. So this is a standard king room. On the left side is just a small closet with a couple bathrobes. See, we already have all our luggage in here and it takes up all the space. And on the other side, there's the ironing boards right there, safe, laundry stuff, and shoe shining stuff. More storage here, a couple storage drawers, and a couple slippers. And on this side, let's see. Here is the mini bar, well, the fridge with a bunch of drinks on it. Here's the coffee and tea. I have a bunch of tea here. And the sugar for it, and there's some hot chocolate. There's a coffee maker, a tea kettle, and there's the glassware. And on the other side of it, here is the mini bar. So there's snacks there, some small bottles of liquor, and wine. And here is the mini bar menu. Let's take a look at that. Let's close this up and let's take a look at the bathroom. That's your normal bathroom with a single sink, and their products here are Byredo. And this is what they provide. So no toothbrushes, just vanity set and all the Q-tips. There is the toilet, and this one has a rainfall shower. Yep, there's a rainfall shower and the Byredo products. Now let's move on to the bedroom. Here's a quick glance at the room. It's a king size bed. And they do provide us with a couple bottles of water. And right beside the bed is the controls for the lights, USB-C, USB-A plugs, and a couple of outlets. Here is the big screen TV. Small dining table, and just one chair. Or just long couch here where you can just sit down or take a nap. Probably 2 people could stretch out on there. And then the other side of the bed is the same thing here. There's just light controls and plugs. Let's take a look at our view. We can actually see the sunset from here, which is being reflected from that building across. You can see the reflection of the sun in the water. That's interesting. And a bunch of construction going on here. Look at that building. So that's our view. And one more glance at our room here at the Intercontinental in Sydney, Australia. Breakfast buffet is served at the Conservatory Restaurant Monday through Friday from 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. and 7 to 11 a.m. on weekends. It costs $50 Australian dollars for adults and $29 Australian dollars for kids 6 to 12 years old. The buffet had plenty of items, from American breakfast to French pastries and Asian dishes, meats and cheese, salad, a variety of fruits, fresh juices, and custom-ordered eggs. The selection is large enough that you will find something that you like. The Treasury is the lobby bar, which is beautifully set at the heart of the hotel, where guests are surrounded by 170-year-old heritage sandstone alcoves, earthy brick archways, and the antique domed atrium. It is open daily from 7 a.m. until midnight, and we had the pleasure of eating here twice for dinner. For appetizers, we ordered this crispy and delicious saltbush pepper squid and charred sourdough. Our main entrees were these perfectly seared ribeye and sirloin steaks. We highly recommend dinner here because of the ambiance and fantastic food. Astor is the hotel's exclusive rooftop bar with expansive harbor views, creative cocktails, artful small plates, and highly personalized service. It's open Tuesday through Saturday from 4 p.m. until midnight and until 10 p.m. on Sunday. Pond Dining Room offers an elevated dining experience with a menu that skillfully blends diverse flavors from Australia's culturally rich landscape. It features superbly charred, smoked, and flamed dishes with luxurious seafood and premium meats as the centerpiece. It is open Tuesday through Saturday from 5:30 to 10 p.m. Make sure to drop by the indoor heated pool located on the 31st floor. It has one of the most spectacular pool views I have ever seen, as you have unobstructed views of Sydney Harbour, including the famous Opera House. Experience a world of exclusive privileges at the newly refurbished Club Intercontinental on the 31st floor, featuring magnificent views of Sydney Harbour, Sydney Opera House, and Royal Botanic Garden. Club guests are invited to enjoy a variety of world-class culinary experiences in the hotel's rooftop space, with a private daily breakfast and refreshments on the 32nd floor, followed by all-day exclusive access to the 31st floor Club Intercontinental venue. Maintain your fitness routine at the hotel's modern gym located on the 31st floor. Enjoy a range of machinery including rowing equipment, treadmills, a Peloton bike, cross trainers, free weights, and a variety of technogym machines. The Intercontinental has 14 private spaces for corporate events, celebrations, and weddings. And if you're looking for a wedding dress, Vera Wang Bridal Boutique is located on the ground floor. We really enjoyed our stay at the Intercontinental Sydney. It's beautiful, historic, and feels brand new inside after its recent renovation. The staff was friendly and welcoming, which made our stay very pleasant. Its location makes it a great place to stay since you can walk to many tourist attractions and have easy access to the train and ferry stations to explore even further. We highly recommend this hotel and would stay here again during future visits. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at BevandRyan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.